What's up? Welcome back. Part 2 for the Mega Rip here on Fresh Out the Pack, going in with some 2022 Topps Baseball Series 1 and 2.
Let's go.
And some blaster boxes of opening day year 2022 as well.
Stop the cap.
Let's take a look at these babies. Got these actually from Target. Check out your local Target.
Bruh. Let's go.
Starting off with some opening day 2021, we're gonna look for some autos and some relic cards. It may contain some redemption cards with expiration dates. Be sure to check the side of your box so it can let you know more or less what type of cards you may receive in that particular box. With that being said, in each opening day, there are 11 packs and 7 cards per pack.
Let's go.
Clayton Kershaw, Kyle Schwarber,
Let's go.
Miguel Rojas,
Let's go.
rookie card Spencer Howard,
Let's go.
Mark Canha. Nice, got our first holo of Chris Paddack. It is not numbered from what it looks like, but there is a date engraved, April 1st, 2021.
Let's go. Let's go.
All right, looks like Oakland Athletics.
Let's go.
Rookie card Nate Pearson
Let's go.
and Brendan McKay. RC Leody Taveras, Gleyber Torres,
Let's go.
Jordan Alvarez,
Let's go.
Joe Adele. Looks like a vintage insert, Legends of Baseball, Ted Williams.
Let's go. Let's go.
Justus Sheffield, Josh Hader, RC Bo Burrows,
Let's go.
Future Stars, Adrian Marejon,
Let's go.
Joey Votto, JD Martinez, Outstanding opening day 1998 Mark
Let's
McGuire.
go. Let's go.
Mauricio Duran, John Lester,
Let's go.
Colton Wong,
Let's go.
Matt Olson, Zach Greinke,
Let's go.
Jesus Aguilar, and Legends of Baseball,
Let's go.
Cal Ripken Jr. Trey Turner,
Let's go. Let's go.
Tyler Glasnow, Chris Bubick. Oh, he's a rookie. Max Kepler, Rugi
Let's
Oder,
go.
Anthony
Let's
Rendon,
go.
Dinger, Broussard,
Let's go.
Max Fried,
Let's go.
Ahmed Rosario,
Let's go.
Dane Dunning, rookie. Salvador Perez, Miguel Sano, Pause,
Let's go.
Shane Bieber, Walker Bueller, Jose Altuve,
Let's go.
Nick Nadert, JT Realmuto, Chris Sale, Legends of Baseball, Hank Aaron.
Let's go.
I mean, it's all right.
For it being the first box that we did open. Fast forward into the second box. I also had to do a recap because I did record in cinematic mode, and let's just say the quality was trash. So here it is. Orbit,
Let's go.
Chadwick Tromp, Ian Happ, Jacob deGrom, Garrett Cole,
Let's go.
Brandon Bilak, Albert Pujols, Outstanding Opening Day 2013, Bryce Harper, Austin Hayes, Max Scherzer, Christian Yelich, Jorge Soler, Casey Mize, Manny Machado, Legends of Baseball Ichiro, Mookie Betts, Christian Pachi, Mark
Let's
Canha,
go.
Aristides Aquino, Jose Abreu, Eduardo Rodriguez, and Billy the Marlin. John
Let's
Means,
go.
Evan White, Jose Urquidy, Jesus Sanchez, Bryce Harper, Alex Verdugo, Legends of Baseball, Derek Jeter,
Let's go.
Mike Brusso, Buster Posey, Anthony Rizzo, Kenta Maeda, Chris Pettit, Albert Abreu, Mariner Moose, Marcel Ozuna, Andres Jimenez, Patrick Corbin.
Let's go.
Eloy Jimenez, Edward Olivares, Dalton Varsho, Outstanding Opening Day 1940, Bob Feller, Steven Strasburg, James Karinchak,
Let's go.
Justin Turner, Jacoby Jones, Justin Lusardo, and Mike Moustakas. Legends of Baseball, Tony Gwynn.
Round 2.
Alright, we're almost done. Going in with Baseball 2022 Series 1 of Topps.
Let's go.
Each pack has 16 cards in them. I'm in high hopes that we will be pulling some fire in these hangers, so let's see what we can find.
Let's go.
Miami Marlins, Jacob deGrom, Mike Fultonwicks, Reed Detmers, Connor Wong, Freddie Freeman, Clint Frazier, Jackson Reitz, Travis DeArnold, Jarren Duran, Jose Ramirez,
Let's go.
Mitch Haniger, Ramiel Tapia, Jaiman Choi, Jazz Chisholm Jr., looks like Now Generation,
Let's go.